Ricardo, they call him Mr. Iceman, HVAC technician. I've been doing this for 3 years and plus, and still continuing doing it because I love this trade and I love to fix system. I highly recommend to get your system done before summer and before winter. If you take care of your system, it will last longer. And I'm gonna show you some video clips. I did some service and some tune-up and some maintenance, so you're gonna see that in the videos. If you have any question, just ask me. Just hit me up in the comment. If you want to subscribe, that'll be awesome in my channel. And give me a thumbs up too. It'll be beautiful. And thank you, and have a good day. Pretty much I'm removing the blades. It's the outer motor, the condenser motor, pretty much not good. It has oil stain around the shaft, and pretty much I gotta remove it and replace it with a new outer fan. So that's what I'm doing in this video. Pretty much at this video, we're putting the condenser motor back on it, finishing it. So yeah, it's pretty much what we're doing, just finished this job. So move on to the next video after this. Got the search for oh shit, excuse my language. How many tons is this? Baby ton. Let's see. We gotta read this. 36, so 3 ton. It's a 3 ton. ATL. Oh shit, it's a 454B. It is a 454B. Come on, get that. Alright then. Let's see. Over. Oh, what the fuck? Let's check the last power. See that power right there? Excuse me. Come on, get out of the way. Get out my meter. Let's see, there's power. Maybe since 24, cool. Watch out. Powers. Let's see. There it does. Okay. More power. There's some power right here too. Here, turn this off. Check power again. You gotta use an AC. What the fuck? It's fucking off. Look at did that. Wow. I'm finding the problem. That was they literally had this upside down. Wow. Everything's good. Going hot air. Check the refrigerant. Wow. Beautiful. See, you always gotta check, go through everything, make sure it has power. That's the main power right there. That's why I was tripping out because they had power through here. That means it came from the panel. And after that power should go through there. It should have power. It's power. There's like power. So this connection was flip over. It was on off. What the hell would do that? That's crazy. Yeah, so that was the problem. Her AC wasn't on for, I think she said since November. I didn't know that. Damn, that's a long time. So already, I don't know, I gotta check the pressure, circuit protector, I don't know if it's on. Yeah, it is on. I see green light on it. It says, this video, pretty much I'm cleaning the liquid line with the sandpaper so I can get a good reading with the temp on it. And I'm gonna put my pressure prompts for my refrigerant fill piece. They work so beautiful. It's a good piece to have, so I recommend to get that to check your pressure for your system. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in this video. Just putting all those fill piece on my liquid line and the suction line, so I can check the pressure for the refrigerant. It's 454B. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.